Hello, this is Rebecca with Wash-Dry-Fold POS, and today we will be taking a look at some of the reporting capabilities found within the software. It's really important to have laundromat-specific reporting capabilities if you're running a laundromat. So let's dive in, take a look at some of the features we have to offer. First, I'm going to give you a brief overview of each of the reports individually, and then we'll get into a little bit more detail and look at how the filtering works. The first report is Accounts Receivable Balances. This will show you outstanding balances on all your commercial accounts. Accounts Receivable Payments is going to show you all payments made on each commercial account and how those payments were made. You can run this report for all of your commercial accounts at the same time or for an individual account. The Cash Payouts report will show you every cash payout made through the POS. You can sort this report by payout reason and customize what payout reasons you allow through the account settings. The credit card tips report can be sorted and filtered by employee or time period and enables you to pay out your employees for credit card tips earned. The financial summary is both the broad overview and the breakdown of sales for any specified period of time. The gift card balances report will show you the balances of any gift cards created from the POS and can be sorted by card number, created date, modified date, or balance. The invoice report will show your commercial account invoices by date, invoice number, commercial customer, or invoice status such as paid, open, or deleted invoices. The loyalty card add value and refund report is for stores with loyalty cards including Laundryworks, Fast Card, Laundry Card, and Spider Wash. This report details value added to loyalty cards through the point of sale. The machine starts report is a detailed report of every machine start that each employee makes. This report is super useful in preventing theft and increasing efficiency in your laundromat. With the open drawer report, you can require a reason for any time an employee opens a drawer without a specific connected transaction. This report is useful for tracking change orders and ensuring the drawer is not being opened without a good cause. The order list report allows you to sort orders by any customer, order tracker status, payment status, order type, and more. The Employee Production Report is a technical report that gives you all the data on employee production and can be sorted by either individual employee or a date range of all your production. You can see order amounts, pounds processed, and which employees received credit for the orders. The Refund Report is going to show you any refunds for your store and includes which order and customer it was connected to, as well as who initiated the refund. The shift report is going to show you all the till activity, including deposit breakdowns, till totals, cashiers, and timestamps for each shift that is opened and closed. The time of day report shows you a breakdown of your busiest times of day and gives you insights into when your laundromat is the most productive. You can also see the busiest days of the week. The timesheet report helps with time clock reporting. All of your employees' clock ins and clock outs and totals for specific dates will be on this report, and this is also where you're going to go if you're going to make any time clock corrections. The top customers report will show you your top 10, 25, 50, or 100 customers and how much they've spent for the time period that you've selected. And last, we have the void report. This one's going to show you all voided transactions with timestamps, totals, customers, and reasons for voided transactions. Knowing which employees are voiding transactions is just another tool in your theft prevention toolkit. Now I'm going to show you what a report looks like and how to use the filtering software. Keep in mind that different reports do have unique filtering options. We're going to look at the financial summary report and filter by date. As we display this report, you can see how in-depth it is, showing all of your financial data on the left and a complete sales breakdown on the right. At the bottom, it has your accounts receivable summary for any on-account customers served during this time period. As with all the reports, you can save and print as a PDF at the bottom. Now let's look at another report. We'll click on the machine starts report. And again, we're going to filter by date, but we're also going to filter by employee. As we display this report, we can see the grand total of orders run for this time period, the machine starts, as well as ratios of machine starts to grand total, which should stay around 30%. As you click to the left to drop down this order, you can see more detailed information such as the timestamps as well as which washers and dryers were started for the order. If you have any questions or would like to get more information on our software's capabilities or specifically the reporting capabilities in Wash-Dry-Fold POS, we would love to talk to you. Feel free to schedule a phone call with our team to learn more. Thank you and have a great day.